Hello, I am Ashley Clady, and today I'm here to show you how to create this super easy bronzy summer look. I went to Dillon's, which is part of Kroger family stores, to pick up my products. They are the perfect one-stop shop for all of your hair care, skincare, and cosmetic needs. And they also offer coupons, which is amazing because you can save while you're doing your shopping. So don't forget to check out their coupons, and let's go ahead and check out how I created this look. Let's go. My first tip is to go in with a luminous primer. This one is by Almay, and it is their CC Luminous Primer that has an SPF of 15. So not only is it preparing your skin for makeup, but it is also protecting it from the sun, which is amazing. Especially during the summertime, I love to find products with SPF that work with my skin to use and just add on all the extra layers of protection possible. So I just pumped a little bit of that out onto my hands, and I'm going to rub that all over the face. For foundation, I like to find one that has a bit of coverage but is still really lightweight and breathable on the skin. This one by Maybelline is their Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation, and it is oil-free, so you don't have to worry about it clogging up any pores or causing you to break out. I like to take just a little bit of this to go over the skin and just even out the skin tone. Next, it's time for concealer. This one is by Milani. This is their Retouch and Erase Light Lifting Concealer, and this one does an incredible job of really brightening up under the eyes so that you look nice and wide awake. A little tip is to just take your finger to press this in, because the warmth from your finger will really work it into the skin beautifully. Now it is time to bronze, one of the most essential steps in creating a beautiful bronzy summer look. This is the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula, and it is the perfect tone to where it looks like you've just been outside in the sun. It's not too yellow, not too orange, not too red. It's just that perfect tone to look like a natural bronze. A quick tip, when you're bronzing, you want to apply a little extra bronzer to the areas that would naturally be hit by the sun. So that's the top of the forehead, top of the nose, and a little bit to the chin. This will help take your bronzing game to the next level and make it look super natural. Another tip is to use your bronzer as your crease shade for your eyeshadow look. So you just want to go right into whatever bronzer that you're using, and then apply that right to the crease of the eye look, because then it ties everything in together really beautifully. To really amp up the bronziness in the eyes, I'm going to use this cream eyeshadow by Maybelline. It is their 24-hour color tattoo in Bad to the Bronze. It's a beautiful bronzy shade and perfect for this bronzy summery look. I'll just apply a little bit to my finger and then smudge that all over the lid. Then you just want to take the same brush that you used earlier with the bronzer and go right back into the crease and blend that all together so that it's really seamless. Now it is time to highlight, and I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Total Temptations Shadow and Highlight Palette. My tip for a highlight when you're going for a really bronzy, summery look is to find one that has a really beautiful warm tone. So something with a little bit of a yellow or a gold undertone to just really add some warmth and some bronziness to the face. I'm going to apply that to the tops of the cheeks, and as you can see, it just adds a really beautiful warm glow to the look. A little bit down the bridge of the nose, a little bit above the lips. And then to really tie the whole look together, I also like to take the same highlight that I use on my face and use that to finish off the eyes. So I'm going to apply a little bit right below the brow bone, and then to the inner corner to highlight there as well. Then before applying mascara, I like to set the face, and I'm going in with the Milani Make It Last Setting Spray. This will really lock everything in place so that when you're out and about in the sun, it's not going to just melt away. It'll hold everything right where it is. And here's the final look. I love how simple and easy it is to achieve. Don't forget to go and head to your local Kroger family store to pick up these products so that you can recreate it. And thank you so much for watching. Bye!